Hello everyone, I am Bharti Tilwani, faculty at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today, I'll teach you about good manners and good behavior. Children, I know that you all are good children, but you know why? Because of your good habits and good manners. I'm sure that you already know about it, but shall we revise it once again? First is praying to God. You should always pray to God for good health and prosperity. Sleeping habits. Kids, you should always go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. Say good morning. When you get up in the morning, you should always say good morning to everyone. Brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth at least 2 times every day. Example, as soon as you get up in the morning and before going to bed at night. Meeting habits. When you meet someone, you should always say hello to greet and can ask, how are you? While talking to others, you should talk softly and politely. Say please if you want something or some favor from others. Say sorry if you have done anything wrong, or if you have hurt someone, you should always say I am sorry. Say thank you. When someone does your favor, you should always say thank you. Welcome. When someone else say thank you, then in return you should always say you are welcome. Greet with a smile. You should always greet your teachers, elders with a smile. Share with friends and family. You should always share your things with your family members, friends and others, because sharing is caring. Be kind to animals. You should always be kind to animals and never hurt them. Do not interrupt. When others are speaking, you should not talk in between. When someone else is talking, you should wait for your turn and say, excuse me. Knock before entering. You should always knock before entering into someone else's room. Be friendly with neighbors. You should always be friendly with your neighbors. Respect elders. You should always respect your elders and treat old people with care. You should treat old people such as your grandparents with lots of care. Obey your elders. You should always obey and listen to your elders. Help others. Help the others. If you find someone in trouble, you should always help them. Clean your house. You should always keep your house neat and tidy. For that, you should always keep your toys and things at the appropriate place. Not to waste anything. You know, children, everything we have is a gift from God. So we should not waste anything. Say good night. You should say always good night to your parents and elders before going to bed. Say goodbye when you are taking leave from someone. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.